In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your phone number on WhatsApp. If you are switching numbers but want to keep your chats, groups, and profile intact, this is the right way to do it. Before we begin, make sure your new phone number is active and can receive texts or calls, and that you have a stable internet connection. You will also want access to the phone that's using your current WhatsApp, because you will be making the change from there. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. We're going straight into the app where all your chats live. Next, head to Settings. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. On iPhone, tap the Settings gear at the bottom right of the screen. Once you are in Settings, tap Account, then select Change Number and tap Next. The Change Number feature is important because it moves your account information, profile, and settings to your new number while keeping your chat history on this phone. Now you will see two fields. In the first field, enter your old phone number. In the second field, enter your new phone number. Be sure to include the correct country codes for both numbers. If you are not sure about the format, start with the plus sign followed by your country code. Then the rest of the numbers, and double-check for any extra zeros or missing digits. Accuracy here prevents verification issues later. Tap Next. You'll be asked whether you want to notify your contacts about the change. This is optional, but helpful so people know how to reach you. If you choose to notify contacts, WhatsApp can send a notice to the people you select. Note that your group chats will see your number change automatically, so you will remain in your existing groups without needing to rejoin them. When you are ready, tap Done. WhatsApp will now move you to the verification step for your new number. A 6-digit code will be sent to the new number by SMS, or you can choose to receive a call. Keep the phone with the new number nearby, and make sure it can receive messages or calls. Enter the code as soon as it arrives. If the code doesn't come through, wait for the timer and then try the call option, and make sure you entered the country code correctly. Never share your verification code with anyone. Once verified, your WhatsApp account is officially tied to your new number. Your profile settings and chats on this phone stay in place, and your conversations continue without interruption. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.